Welcome students. In the previous video we have discussed the derivation of distance formula and we have seen that how to derive a distance formula between two given points or how to get distance of a line segment joining two given points. Here in this video we are going to discuss how to use and where to use this distance formula. Very interestingly we will discuss it. As we have discussed in the previous video, if A and B are any two points having coordinates x1, y1 and x2, y2, B two points, then the distance between A and B, that is AB, is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. We know this is known as distance formula. Square root of sum of the squares of difference in x coordinates and difference in y coordinates. Okay, now let us discuss where and how we can use this distance formula. First use is very simple, obvious, to find the distance between two given points. Okay, this is the first use, distance between two given points. Second use, suppose any 3 points are given. Okay, suppose points A, B and C are given and we have to prove that these 3 points are collinear. Collinear means points lie on the same line. Suppose A, B and C. These 3 points lie on the same line. Here we want to prove with the help of distance formula that these 3 points are collinear points. So coordinates will be given here, x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. These coordinates of the points A, B and C are given respectively. How to show that these 3 points are collinear? So first of all, we will find the line segments. Here we will find the length of the line segments AB, BC and AC. Correct? If we find that if AB plus BC is equal to AC, this is possible only when A, B, C are collinear. Okay? So if AB plus BC is equal to AC, then we can conclude then points A, B and C are collinear. So this is second use of distance formula. Third, suppose you have to prove that 3 points A, B and C form a triangle. Suppose we have to prove. So here also we'll find the line segment, length of the line segment, find AB, BC and AC, and if sum of two sides means sum of length of two sides is greater than the length of third side, means third line segment, then ABC will form a triangle. If AB plus BC is greater than AC, as well as you will find that also AB plus AC is greater than BC and BC plus AC is greater than AB. If any one of these 3 cases takes place, then it will prove that A, B and C form a triangle. If any one case takes place, we can prove that points form a triangle. And in that case, both of these two cases will also take place. Correct? Third, then fourth. We have to prove that a given triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. How we can show it? Here also we will find length of the line segment AB, BC and CA. You know Pythagoras theorem. If Pythagoras theorem is satisfied, it means if sum of squares of any two sides is equal to square of third side. Suppose if AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square, then triangle is right angle triangle. Okay, so either AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square, or you get AB square plus AC square is equal to BC square, or you get BC square plus AC square is equal to AB square. If any one of these three cases takes place, then triangle is a right angled triangle. Correct? Understood? Very simple. Next, suppose we want to show that four given points, say A, B, C and D form a rectangle. How we can show it? How we can prove it? Here also we will find the length of line segments AB, BC, CD and AD. So in a rectangle, if opposite sides are equal, means if AB is equal to CD as well as let us form a figure here, then it will be more clear to you. Suppose this is AB, CD. So if AB is equal to CD as well as AD is equal to BC, and at the same time, you know, diagonals of a rectangle are equal. So as well as AC is equal to BD. If opposite sides are equal as well as length of diagonals are equal, here AC and BD are diagonal, then these 4 points are the vertices of a rectangle. In this case, we can say that this quadrilateral is a rectangle. Correct? It will be proved that this is a rectangle. Next, how we can prove that A, B, C and D form a parallelogram. In this case, opposite sides are equal. If AB is equal to CD and AD is equal to BC, if opposite sides are equal but diagonals are not equal. In a parallelogram, you know, diagonals are not equal. This diagonal is longer than this one. So, if its diagonals are not equal, AC is not equal to BD, then it will be proved that these 4 points form a parallelogram. What is the condition? Opposite sides are equal but diagonals are not equal. And in a rectangle, opposite sides are equal as well as diagonals are also equal. Now, next, suppose we have to show that A, B, C and D form a square. How we can show it? In this case, if all the sides are equal, means if AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD, as well as length of diagonals are equal, means AC is equal to BD, then 4 points form a square, correct? And next, suppose we have to show that 4 points A, B, C, D form a rhombus. So what is the condition? 4 points form a rhombus. All the sides will be equal like a square, but diagonals will not be equal. So in this case, all the 4 sides are equal. AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD. But diagonals are not equal. AC is not equal to BD. Then it will be proved that these 4 points form a rhombus. So in this way, we can use distance formula to prove that whether given 3 points or 4 points form different shapes, or whether collinear or triangle or right angle triangle. In the case of triangle, we can also prove that triangle is isosceles triangle. We find out length of 3 sides of a triangle. If any 2 sides are equal, triangle will be isosceles triangle. Similarly, with the help of this distance formula, we can prove that whether 3 points form an equilateral triangle or not. If all the 3 sides are equal, we can find out the length of sides with the help of distance formula. And if 3 sides are equal in length, then triangle is an equilateral triangle. So there are so many uses, applications of distance formula, and we have understood here where and how we can use this distance formula to prove all these conditions. So hope you enjoyed these videos very much. So your likes are most welcome, and definitely you might have subscribed this channel. If not, please subscribe it and share these videos with your friends also. Wish you all the best.